I'm having a total mental block. I kid you not, it's the third time I've tried to do this question. It's just not working. So, Q is inversely proportional to PQ, which means that Q, fish symbol, 1 over P cubed. That tells us that Q equals something over P cubed. We want to find out what that something is to give ourselves an equation. To do that, we're going to use our values. We know that Q is 6 when P is 4. 4 cubed is 64, so that means that 6 equals something over 64. To find out what that is, I'm going to do 6 times 64, which gives me 384. So to find Q, I divide 384 by the cube of P. So if I'm told that P is 6, I know that P cubed is 216. So I'm going to do 384 divided by 216, which gives me 1.7 recurring. It asks my answers to 2 decimal places at the top of the page, 1.78 when I round up. Okay. For this one, I'm doing it the opposite way around. So I want Q, I want P, I'm told what Q is. So I know that 9 equals 384 divided by P cubed. Beautiful thing about this, I can switch these two round. So I also know that P cubed is 384 divided by whatever Q is, and Q in this case is 9. So I'm going to do 384 divided by 9, which gives me, I hope that's not right, 384 divided by 9, which gives me, no, it was right, 42.6 recurring. And then in my calculator, I'm going to do the cube root of 42.6 recurring, which gives me 3.494, which rounds to 3.49. That one, I really messed that one up. Let's try the next one. Hopefully this one will just take the one try. B is inversely proportional to A squared. So B equals something over A squared. We know that B is 9 when A is 4. So we need to do 4 squared is 16. 9 times 16 is 144. So K is 144. Five is A, so we want to find B. We know that B equals 144 over A squared, which is 25. So I do 144 divided by 25, which gives me 5.76. To find this A, I know that 10 equals 144 divided by A squared. So first of all, I switch these two around, and I end up with A squared equals 144 over 10. And then I find the square root of 14.4. Which is 3.79. Right, finally, we've got this one inversely proportional to the square root of m. So that means that n equals something over square root of m. 15 equals something over the square root of 9, which is 3, which means that times these two together, that's going to be 3. K is going to be 45. So, if m is 20, I'm looking for n. N equals 45 over the square root of 20. That's just put it straight into the calculator. And we end up with 10.06. And for the reverse one, we know that 31 equals, what's my number? 45. 45 over the square root of m. So swap these two round, which tells us that the square root of m equals 45 over 31. Which is 1.45 and a lot. Leave it on your calculator and find the square root. See what I mean? It really is a lot. So leave it on your calculator, find the square root of the answer, and it gives me 1.20. Right, so they are difficult questions. It is a difficult topic. It was a star on the old syllabus. It's probably 8 or 9 on the new. But give it a go. Do your best. Thanks very much.